Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. When I do that,
Yeah.
you feel it in your pelvis floor,
Mm-hmm.
and where else?
And the right rib number 10.
Okay. What do you feel?
Like some soreness.
Okay.
I'm feeling it in the soles of my feet.
Okay. It's very intuitive to his body because I'm releasing the superficial fascia layer. So, because it's very tight, it's pulling on other areas. Okay. So, want to make sure you drink enough water after this. Let me know if you feel anything else. Okay. Just give me feedback. What do you feel?
The back of my eyes.
Tightness in your eyes.
Yeah.
See?
Back of my eyes. And now the inside of the ears.
Okay.
The jaw.
Uh-huh.
Lower teeth.
You're very intuitive to your body, okay? So, because the fascia system, it's like wraps around the entire body. It's like a Spider-Man suit. So, when someone has tightness, it's like wearing the Spider-Man suit that 2 to 3 size too small. So, when you have tightness and more pulling on the tightness, it's just affecting everywhere else.
Yeah, deep in the gestation tube on the right side.
Is it too much? Okay.
So the rhomboid muscles on the right.
So it's really tight.
Up in here.
How much from 0 to 10?
About a 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one's they're about the same, about a 3.
Okay, extend and flex and show me how this feel.
Yeah, these are sore. And top of my head.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now your back.
And then maybe some back muscles.
Your back muscles. Yeah.
Especially in
Okay, what happened to your back?
a lot of different things, yeah.
Like what?
Well, I had that motorcycle accident.
Sorry.
And that motorcycle land on me.
Oh man, on your back, yeah.
Yeah, land on my back.
Mm-hmm.
Because I crashed on the jump and then he crashed on top of me.
It's rough.
Yeah. But most of my backs were from strains.
Mm-hmm.
Lifting things in torque, like you're talking about today.
Mm-hmm.
I can
This band here.
Yeah.
You feel this one?
a lot.
It's really, there's a band here actually, a band. I feel it. Really tight band. Mm-hmm.
Just tying into this contact.
How does this feel?
It's a lot.
Is that too much?
That right now is real.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys see
my
how
range
much he
is
goes
definitely-
like now compared when we started. Extend. It's nice. Flex. Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Wow.
You see how far he's going down now? Before he was just tucking his chin on. Beautiful. Where do you feel the tightness now?
In my back.
Where?
Yeah.
He told me the history of his back.
Scapula.
Down it here or down here?
My lumbar is the.
Mhm.
I used to have a lot of TL problems, but
Mhm.
pretty good.
Okay, try it again. Back and forward. See how fast he's moving now. Very fast. Good. And twist left and right.
So still in
Too much?
here. It's okay.
Okay, try it again.
Yeah, the left is definitely better.
Mm-hmm. Extend and flex. How's that?
Yes, just right in those contact trapezius.
How much?
Contact point. About a 3.
Okay. Tightness?
A little sore.
And just drink some more. But you notice he's going further. Flexion, extension, he's going further. Okay, do it again. You still feel the soreness or it's gone?
It's better.
Twist left and right.
It's this one.
Well, he's very intuitive to his body, so really he helped me to get things going faster.
Okay.
Too much? Okay. Say something, okay? Yeah.
Can we go just to like a centimeter medial?
How is that? Yes?
Yeah, it's better.
Is it better? Okay. Okay. Too much or it's okay?
It's okay.
I can see your face from here.
I'm smiling.
You smile? Keep smiling in the camera. Good. Okay, try it again.
Okay.
Left and right. How's that?
Yeah, it's good.
Any tightness?
Yeah, just right here.
Soreness or tightness?
It's sore.
Okay, drink more water. Like you kind of look a little bit dehydrated too.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure you drink enough water so
I try to get at least a couple quarts in a day.
Hold it again.
See, now I'm getting this.
That's fine, that's fine. But you see how the speed of his movement and how far he moves. Alright, how's that?
You fixed me.
Alright, awesome. Yeah. So what do you think about the treatment, this ASTR treatment?
Oh, I love it. I'm addicted.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah.
Can I just come stay at your house every morning?
I'll talk to my wife. Yeah, I'm glad you feel better.
Yeah, I feel much better.
So, like compared to other treatment you used to have before, what's the difference between ASTR and what you had before?
Well, I've had a lot of shiatsu. Massage never did anything for me. Shiatsu would help, but then I'd be swollen for like
inflammation
for 3 days at least.
Yeah.
And then I'd feel better sometimes. Most of the time, I found that if I just worked on myself was the best. But I would just hold.
How you do that on your neck? That's not easy.
Yeah, it's not easy.
You're gonna hurt yourself more because doing this, you're gonna build scar tissue on the shoulder.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Yeah, just hold and try to release. But this is so much blood's flowing through there now, and I feel a lot of oxygen. So yeah, I think it's really good.
Yeah.
I gotta drink a lot of water, that's for sure.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.